Rain doesn't ask for attention. It simply arrives quietly. And sometimes the quietest moments are the ones that remind us of what we've been too busy to feel. Life doesn't always teach through noise. Often it whispers, just like this. There are days when things fall harder than we expect, when life feels heavier, faster, louder. But even then, nature shows us something. Not everything that falls comes to break us. Some things fall to soften us, to cleanse what we kept holding on to make space for what truly matters. And then the world begins to slow, not because the storm is gone, but because we finally stop resisting it. There's a quiet clarity that only appears after we've faced what we needed to face. The small things, often ignored, suddenly become beautiful again. And maybe that's the truth. We don't need a perfect life, just a softer way of seeing it. When the rain ends, nothing looks dramatic, but everything feels different. Peace doesn't arrive with fireworks. It comes like this, a gentle shift, a breath you didn't know you were holding, finally released. And you realize surviving the storm already made you stronger than you thought. Listen closely. Nature never shouts, yet somehow its voice reaches the deepest part of us. In the wind, in the quiet, in the small lives singing around you, there is a reminder you belong here, not above nature, not outside it, but as a part of this living, breathing world. If this touched something inside you, even just a little, stay connected. Subscribe to True Nature Wisdom. There is so much more to hear in the gentle language of nature.